Motorola has recently launched its own ultra-thin device along with a few companions. The main highlight is the Motorola Edge 70, which is the global version of the Moto X70 Air. In terms of design, it is quite impressive, measuring only 5.99 millimeters in thickness and weighing just 159 grams. It's worth noting that Motorola has been creating very slim and thin devices for several generations now, so I wouldn't say that it just jumped on the trend that began slightly before the iPhone Air, as Motorola had already been working on this style of design for a while. In this particular case, it combines an aircraft-grade aluminum frame with a back made from nylon-inspired silicone. It boasts IP68 and 69 resistance along with military certification MIL STD810H. The display is a Super HDP OLED panel, which Motorola has opted to name the resolution that others refer to as 1.5K. It is slightly higher than Full HD. In this case, the screen has a diagonal of 6.67 inches with 120 Hz in its deep 10-bit color refresh rate and a maximum peak brightness of 4,500 nits. So we are in front of a really very good screen. It features dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. Additionally, we have the front camera 50 megapixels, whereas the rear cameras, they are also 50 megapixels, featuring a main camera with optical stabilization and an ultra-wide angle of the same resolution with 120 degrees of amplitude and macro function, thanks to autofocus. So Motorola didn't add cameras just for marketing, even though I would have liked to see a telephoto camera, but well, surely that will be reserved for a more advanced model. The battery is designed with a capacity of 4,800 mAh, utilizing silicon and carbon materials. This design allows it to be remarkably thin while maintaining a good capacity. When it comes to charging, we have turbo power of 68 watts available through a cable and 15 watts wirelessly. In terms of performance, the device is equipped with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor, which is quite competitive, paired with 12 GB of RAM. This combination ensures a very smooth experience, even when multiple applications are open simultaneously and handling various tasks. The official launch price currently in Europe is €799, which translates to approximately $918. However, it's important to remember that prices here differ from those over there. Motorola not only introduced this new device, but they also unveiled new devices from the G57 series. These are the first to feature the Snapdragon 6S Gen 4 chip. The Moto G57 Power model boasts a 7,000 mAh battery made of silicon and carbon, along with a 30-watt charging capability. Meanwhile, the Moto G57, without the power designation, comes with a 5,200 mAh battery. Both devices are equipped with the Sony Lithium 650 megapixel main sensor. Additionally, feature an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. The display is a 6.72-inch Full HD with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. They also have a 64 IP resistance level along with military certification. The Moto G57 Power is priced at €279, which is approximately $320. Meanwhile, the Moto G57 is available for €249, roughly $285, just to give you an idea. Lastly, they have launched the base Moto Buds, which include 50 decibel active noise cancellation and offer a good bass presence. Motorola showed many things yesterday. Do you prefer the Ultra Slim Edge 70 or the big batteries in the Moto G57 Power? Share your thoughts in the comments.